Good afternoon, students. This is Renu Joshi. Now we are starting our new topic, that is the how can we create a file or folder in Windows 7. As you can see on the screen, to create a file or folder, we will follow some steps like you can see over there. The first one, I'm going through, just stick up with the steps here. You can see on the screen. The first one, in the folder, in the window folder, click the new folder button in the menu bar. At the top are right click an empty area of folder window. And the second step would be choose new option. The third one, up sub menu list the new objects you can create, folder shortcuts, a variety of types of files it will open if you want to make it open. And the fourth one is the select an element out of the list. Windows 7 creates the selected objects. The another it is the one option, like you can create a file or folder over there. There is another one option, simply right click and you will get the menu option over there, like you can see here in the screen, this one. So if you do the right click over there, then you will get a list of for the options. Just simply select that for option which is asking for the creating new file or folder. So it will look like that, like you are seeing in the picture. So simply click on that, give the name and then press enter. So that is a simple method how can you create a file or folder in Windows 7. So I'm now moving to the next topic. Our next topic is how could we delete file or folder in Windows 7. So the steps are to delete files or folder to the following. The first one is select the file or folder you want to delete. The second one is click the organize menu and choose delete. The third one is the delete file dialog box appear, click yes in this dialog box. And the fourth one is the file gets deleted from the folder. Now I'm also going through with some pictures over there, just see that. And there is also another shortcut for that, like simply select that particular file which you want to delete, like on the screen. I'm just making it sub sign, like you can see it could be visible here. Just simply select on that and do the right click and then you will get that delete option. So just choose that option and that your item would be delete from the Windows. So this is another method to delete existing file or folder over there. Now I'm moving to our next topic, that is the how could we disk cleanup. So firstly let me tell you what is a disk cleanup. So we can use disk cleanup to free up space on our hard disk by removing temporary internet files, removing installed component and program that you no longer use, and emptying the recycle bin. Basically, the disk cleanup is working like a garbage, whatever garbage you are having in your system. It is just trying to throw it up. And how could you do? Simply, it is also having some steps which you should follow. The first one is to start with the start menu, click on the start menu. The second one is just choose all programs, then accessories, and then the search system tools. And the third one is then choose disk cleanup. And after that, the fourth one is disk cleanup. Just wait for a sec, like you can also see on the screen. The fourth one is disk cleanup. Drive selection dialog box appear, and after going through this, choose the drive which you want to clean and then click OK for the fifth one. And the sixth step is the disk cleanup dialog box appear on drive you have selected. The seventh one is under files to delete, click the checkbox for each file that you want to delete and finally press the OK. So this is the procedure how could you clean up your disk. Like here you can see, here you will get that option and here you can choose that one. This is the option which you have to select, and after that you can go with this step which I have already told you.